One negamonti video dị very important na ịwọchili ya ma ịghọtago maka unu nwa na-eme njem okporo ụzọ especially unu nwa na-aba commercial bus were aga Abuja, were aga Lagos, were aga Benin, were aga Kano, Kaduna, Katsina, Maiduguri. Do you understand me? So ma ogolo na ana Igbo ahịa, I think na this video you need to watch. I help me share this video. Allegedly, this man onye ugwu na-akọwa that na ọ dị ka some of the commercial bus drivers and work with ndị a na-apụgharị ndị mmadụ, mana ka ị ga-egodu video anụ maka ịnụ ife ọ na-ekwu. Ndị Igbo si na nkwụcha abụrụ ụjọ na ọ nganga ka okenye ji agbalị efi ọsọ, mana gee ntị na video because o nwere ike ịbara gị uru.
Top of the day, ladies and gentlemen. I hope this finds you well. So, one of my very good friend was kidnapped. Him and his wife along Ajakuta in Kogi State.
Okay.
The new thing now is the kidnappings around that Ajakuta area is becoming very incessant, and Kogi State is becoming endangered. So many people are being kidnapped, most especially travelers.
Okay.
And one very troubling thing that my friend was telling me after he was released by the kidnappers is he thinks from the way a commercial driver was acting, he thinks, and it is alleged, that now kidnappers now connive with these bus and commercial drivers for them to give locations of when the bus, when the bus is leaving, where the bus is, and sometimes where the bus even stops. So sometimes if you see your driver making unnecessary calls, just be careful.
Okay.
If you see your driver making unnecessary calls, unnecessary stops, you guys should really ask him what the problem is. Because most of these kidnappings, when they happen, finally you will see the driver, not only the driver, the survivor, they packed everybody in the bus and they left the driver. So now, whether this is true or not, it is something very important for us to take into cognizance, because you can never tell. These guys perpetrating this kidnapping can go extra miles in trying to get what they want. That's why they have accomplices. And I don't know if I told you the other day that, there is an analysis that there are hundreds of thousands of kidnappers in the Nigerian bushes and bandits, but then there are over 5 million informants in the cities. So it's not far-fetched, right? It's not far-fetched. And to all these clerics in northern Nigeria saying that they want to go and negotiate with these terrorists and bandits, honestly speaking, I'm not going to support negotiating with a terrorist or a bandit or whatever.
Okay.
I will never accept that. So now, the people that their families were unalive, the people that have lost their properties, how do you want them to... Okay, wait, these kidnappers you're trying to negotiate with, into which society do you want to absorb them into? The same society that they unalived people? The same society that they destabilized?
Okay.
The only thing that the security agencies are supposed to do is to go after these people. Since you can track people now, you can track people. Why not track them? You can track people using communication towers. Why not track them?
Okay.
So we have to be very careful. It's now very disturbing, the rate at which this kidnapping, banditry, and terrorists terrorizing northern Nigeria and other parts of Nigeria. We have to come out and say no to that. It is terribly unacceptable where we are, and then we are going to continue saying it how it is. As far as this whole insecurity thing in northern Nigeria, we would say it how it is, and I'm open to work with people that are trying to see what they can do as far as fixing it or lending our voice, or also helping in doing something about this insecurity. I am open to working with people. So if you have ideas, if you want us to work, talk to me, because I'm open. Peace and blessings, and I hope this information would get to the best places. Share as much as you can. Thank you.
One leg ife nya bụ nwanne anyị nwoke bụ onye mgbago ugwu bụrụ ebe a. you understand me? Man, insecurity happen all over the place in this country. Only part of this country I will follow. That is the truth. Do you understand what I'm saying? So my advice to you, even though na Nigeria they go call ya level, it's better that nature ime travel. Banye na bus nwere afa company. Go and book your traveling bus. Like nke ndị nwere afa nke ndị amafuwe ifuru ndị anyị agba one way ihe anụnwa that is sharp a uchere dekwe ya and ịma n'ọnwa mba ka a na-aba ịnụkwuru ife okwuru ebe a maka ndị ụkọ ndị isi ndị Muslim nọ na Northern Nigeria na-eje negotiate with ndị terror amam na negotiate cha with them akpọchighata fa azụ na society then kedizikwe ndị afụfa gburu egbu kedizi ife ya bụ their fate otu okwu aka anyị na-ekwu anyị pụta ya na-asị gị na Nigeria abụrụ country. If Nigeria happen to you, ị ga-aghọta na obodo a abụrụ obodo. Ekenekwe m unu ụmụnne m na-ege m ntị. Ma help m share this video ka o nwee ike ịlụtụkasị ụmụnne m na gị na-abụ ntị. Ka emesịa.